The iPad lets you view your documents and folders in 3 different ways: lists, thumbnails, or columns. Each has its own advantages. The list view is the most detailed. It can show you information like when a file was created, last modified, or last opened, as well as its type, size, tags, and whether it's syncing with iCloud. The beauty is that you don't need all this information at once, so you can choose what's displayed and arrange it so that the most important details appear closest to the file name. The trade-off is that lists show one file per line. So if a folder has a lot of files, you'll end up scrolling more. The thumbnail view is more compact. It fits more files on a single screen and gives you a visual preview of each document. That way, you can instantly recognize files by their cover pages or icons without having to read through the names. The column view is designed for navigation. It keeps your folders connected. So you can see how they relate to each other while browsing. It also gives you rich previews of your documents without opening them all on the same screen. No matter which view you choose, you can sort your documents by details like type, date, size, or who shared them. You can group them or keep them ungrouped for a simpler layout. You can also compact the details to fit more information on one screen. And even choose to display file extensions at the end of each file name.